In today's show, is the Bitcoin sell-off finally over? Well, yeah, according to these strong buy the dip signals, which flashed for the first time in 5 months, as Ki Jong-yu points out from Crypto Quant. You can see these strong buy signals in the green, and he points out it's a whale war, and you know who got the real power. There's also some sell signals, so I'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the latest analysis from Willy Woo, who says 45,000 upwards is very strong support. Any dip, if you are lucky, into 39,000 is the no-brainer. BTFD all day, every day, 25.8. And there's another indicator from Glassnode which suggests that Bitcoin is now ready for the next leg up. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also checking out the latest wisdom from Max Keiser. He tweeted, if the Fed loses ability to prevent the market from crashing bonds as it should, then yeah, my Bitcoin to $220,000 in 2021 prediction is easy. A paradigm shift means bonds crash 50 to 70% and trillions move into Bitcoin, getting us to $220,000 in 2021. And regarding his short-term target, he tweeted, Bitcoin hash keeps hitting a new all-time high. It's a leading indicator based on the current number. $77,000 short-term is a lock. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, top trader says Bitcoin bottom is in and plots a new Bitcoin all-time high in March. That's right. Are you ready? With Bitcoin gearing up for the next phase of the bull cycle, Capo believes that the leading crypto asset will skyrocket to a new all-time high of around $80,000 before the end of March. Checking out his tweet right here. New potential range between $60,000 and $42,000. Target after consolidation above the range high, about $80,000. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin and all the major altcoins are correcting and in the red. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, including weekends just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor BlockFi, where you can put your crypto to work. They have 2 flagship products. On one, you could earn an annual percentage yield of 6% on your Bitcoin and literally have your sats work for you. And they pay out 9.3% on USDT. The other flagship product is a crypto-backed loan. You ever wonder, how can I access fiat cash without selling my precious Bitcoin? Well, look no further. You can get an interest rate as low as 4.5%. To take advantage of this, as well as the special promo running right now, where you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. Click the link right down below. It'll take you here. Then click this yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated, free to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. I have a lot to discuss, so let's dive right in, shall we? The price of Bitcoin dropped to the key $45,000 support level on February 28th for the third time in the past week. As you can see here on your screen, this shows you the 1 hour Bitcoin chart. The Bitcoin/USD pair briefly dipped below 44,000, touching about 43,800 on Bitstamp before pairing some of the losses and then bouncing back above $45,000. Some analysts have pointed out to an uptick in miner selling as the reason behind the latest drop in price. Checking out the latest from Ki Jong-ju of Crypto Quant, he wrote, it's a whale war, and you know who got the real power. U.S. institutional investors, Coinbase outflow equals strong buy. Coinbase premium equals buy. Bitcoin whales, Bitcoin reserve equals buy. Stablecoin inflow TXs equal buy. Now miner outflows equal sell, and miner to exchange flows equal sell. And he also points out, please don't blame mining pool owners. Those outflows came from affiliated miners who have participated in the mining pool at least once. Now, fortunately, the third retest of this key support level may have a silver lining for the bulls. Data analytics resource Glassnode noted that the daily Bitcoin spent output profit ratio, known as the SOPR, has seen a full reset. As they tweeted right here, the daily Bitcoin spent output profit ratio has seen a full reset and turned negative for the first time in 5 months. Investors will on average move in Bitcoin at a slight loss, indicating profit taken has abated. And they also tweeted just 3 hours ago, in total, we saw on-chain net realized loss of 243 million yesterday. That is the lowest daily value since April of 2020, as you can see right here on your screen. Meanwhile, popular trader Philip Swift, who I've had here on the show and I did an interview with, the co-founder of Trading Suite, decent trader and creator of the Golden Ratio Multiplier method, also pointed out the SOPR crash. He considers this a potentially bullish turnaround for the Bitcoin price in combination with last week's reset of derivatives funding rates, because such events had previously coincided with the start of the new uptrends. Here's what he tweeted right here. Spent output profit ratio, SOPR, has now reset, green on the chart, meaning that wallet selling are now selling at a loss. This is a strong buy the dip signal in a bull market. This, alongside derivative fundings having reset, is bullish, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, the last time the SOPR flipped green was 5 months ago when Bitcoin was trading at around $10,000. Isn't that wild that just 5 months ago, Bitcoin was just trading at $10,000 and we moved up 500% since then? So at this time, this was a key hurdle for Bitcoin to trigger a new bull market. Since then, the price has surged more than fivefold to a new all-time high of around $58,000. Nevertheless, many traders remain cautious as the market enters the month of March, which has historically been bearish for cryptocurrencies and all markets in general. I think March may be slow with a lack of confidence in traditional markets, but overall I am bullish and expect significantly higher over the next 3 months, said Swift in private comments. Now, 44 to 45,000 remains the key level to keep your eyes out on. Bitcoin traders are keeping a close eye on the $44 to $45,000 level. Trader Willy Woo, for instance, says 45,000 level is a very strong support and expects any dips below this level to be bought up aggressively should they occur. Checking out his tweet right here, UTXO realized price distribution. This is the on-chain, more precise version of the volume profile. The peaks represent the price where most coins change hands. $45,000 upwards is very strong support. Any dip, if you're lucky, into $39,000 is a no-brainer. BTFD. That's right. Buy that freaking dip. Furthermore, researchers at on-chain analytics firm Sentiment believe that the entire crypto market now depends on Bitcoin holding above this key level. Checking out their tweet right here. It's been a red weekend thus far with most eyes on Bitcoin as it has rallied back versus the climb altcoins were making. Keep an eye on the 44,000 support level for Bitcoin as an indication to monitor for all of the crypto, as well as Bitcoin's on-chain activity, as they point out right here. And before I break down the latest Bitcoin price predictions from Max Keiser, as well as a top trader saying the Bitcoin bottom is in and plots new Bitcoin all-time high in March of $80,000. Let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin down 6% for the day, trading just above $44,700. We have Ethereum down about 8%, trading at $1,365. Chainlink, Polkadot, Cardano, Litecoin, Binance Coin, all in the red and currently correcting. All right, now the latest tweets from Max Keiser. He wrote, if the Fed loses ability to prevent the market from crashing bonds as it should, then yeah, my Bitcoin to 220,000 in 2021 prediction is easy. And he's responding to this headline, despite the Fed, the bond market is hiking rates. He also tweeted, a paradigm shift means bonds crash 50 to 70% and trillions move into Bitcoin, getting us to $220,000 in 2021. I'd love to know if you agree with his bullish price prediction. Do you feel Bitcoin price is likely to hit this $220,000 mark by the end of this year? Holla at your boy. And regarding his short-term Bitcoin price prediction, he says Bitcoin hash rate keeps hitting a new all-time high. It's a leading indicator based on the current number. $77,000 short-term is a lock. Now, I like this prediction as other analysts are also predicting about $80,000 in March. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. And as he points out, Bitcoin is the cheapest asset in the world. Touche, because once you understand its value proposition, it truly is the cheapest asset in the world, and you could steal it right now for less than $50,000 per BTC. All right, and before I break down our next story of the day, top trader says Bitcoin bottom is in and plots a new Bitcoin all-time high in March of $80,000. But let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just above 1.3 trillion with 129 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance back on the climb at 61.5%, and the current Bitcoin market cap is sitting at $840 billion. Now, checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Flow up about 4%, trading at 21 bucks. Neem up 1.8%, trading at 55 cents. Monero up less than 1%, trading at $219. And then we just have some stable coins because there's not many gainers actually in the green, but we do have plenty of losers in the market. Hobby token down 19%, trading at $13.71. Near Protocol down about 17%, trading at $3.53. 1 inch down about 17%, trading at $3.74. And Horizon down 16% for the day and 43% for the week, trading at $42.33. And as we continue scrolling down, you just see massive losses because when Bitcoin tanks, the entire market follows and tanks even worse. So you got to be very careful when trading with altcoins. Now let's check out one of my favorite indicators. It's the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 55 in greed. Yesterday was a 56. Last week a 91, and last month a 77 in extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity like we're experiencing right now. BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, and before I break down this latest analysis of an $80,000 Bitcoin price target for March, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 700 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. I also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. I am very active. My Twitter handle is Crypto News. Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook as I am, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy with over 18,000 cryptopreneurs from all over the world. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram as I am, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day, shall we? A closely followed crypto strategist whose credibility in the crypto space rose after nailing Bitcoin's collapse back in March of 2020 says he expects Bitcoin to bottom out and print a new all-time high in the coming weeks. If you're ready for Bitcoin to print a new all-time high, holla at your boy. In a new tweet storm, the analyst known in the industry as Capo looks at a number of technical indicators to show why he believes Bitcoin has carved a bottom. The trader explains that the steep decline in Bitcoin's open interest, which refers to the number of contracts held by market participants, is bullish for Bitcoin. Here's his technical analysis shared in this tweet storm. Little thread about why I think the bottom is likely in. February edition, Bitcoin current price, $46,670. Number one, same as the other time, January drop, open interest has dropped with the price. Late longs got wrecked, as he points out right here. Number two, this drop on over leverage due to the late long liquidations mostly has helped the funding rates to reset. Also, shorts are trapped. They think price hasn't reached this bottom, so they are shorting the bounce, causing the funding to tend to be negative, which is a bullish indicator. Number three, Bitcoin and Ethereum RSI is forming hidden bullish divergences again on the high time frames. This divergence means trend continuation when confirmed. Pivot and validation for Bitcoin, weekly candle close below $33,000. Confirmation for Bitcoin, weekly close above $57,000. So those are the price points to keep your eyes out on this week. Number four, Fear and Greed Index has dropped from 94 to 55, as I pointed out. In January, it dropped to similar levels and price was lower than now. That's right. Number five, heat maps. All of them look bullish with not too much supply and with strong demand coming in. FTX heat map looks especially bullish, as you can see right here on your screen. Number six, institutions/whales keep accumulating at these levels. Coinbase Pro outflows going up like crazy. More bullish indicators, and actually nothing has changed. We will see some more corrections this year, and some of them will be harder. Buy the dip is the way until proven otherwise. HTF reversal. Let the crypto bull market continue. Touche. All right, now for the $80,000 Bitcoin price prediction, ladies and gentlemen. With Bitcoin gearing up for the next phase of the bull cycle, Capo believes that the leading crypto asset will skyrocket to a new all-time high of around $80,000 before the end of March, which is right in alignment with Max Keiser's $77,000 short-term Bitcoin price prediction. Checking out his tweet right here. Bitcoin, new potential range between $60,000 and $42,000. Target after consolidation above the range high, about $80,000. Enjoy the weekend. Now for some random interesting tweets. We have billionaire venture capitalist Tim Draper, who tweeted, "Brilliant experiment. I'm looking to buy 50,000 acres in Nevada," referring to this article headline, "Nevada just letting a crypto firm run the entire town as innovative zone." That would be pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of the Citadel. And here's another interesting tweet from Jameson Lopp. "Americans spend more on lottery tickets than on movies, video games, music, sporting events, and books combined. Buy Bitcoin, not lottery tickets." touche. You're wasting your money on the lottery. You can be buying up BTC and start stacking those sats. Another interesting tweet from Pompliano. There's an estimated 46.8 million people in the world that are millionaires, which is 0.6% of the world's population. There are only 21 million Bitcoin, and this doesn't take into consideration all the lost Bitcoin that could never be retrieved. That means that there isn't even 0.5 Bitcoin, which is a half a Bitcoin available, if every millionaire wanted to buy that amount. So how many of you are going to become Bitcoin millionaires? If you're not already, holla at your boy. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show, we discussed, is the Bitcoin sell-off over? Well, likely, according to these strong buy the dip signals, which flashed for the first time in 5 months, as I broke down for you right here. Crypto quant CEO Ki Jong-Yu shares, it's a whale war, and you know who got the real power. And as you can see, here are the strong buy-in signals, followed by some sell signals, which I broke down for you right here in today's show. I also shared the latest from statistician Willie Woo, who wrote, $45,000 upwards is very strong support. Any dip, if you're lucky, into 39,000 is a no-brainer. BTFD, I couldn't agree more. Buy that freaking dip. Also shared the latest from Glassnode Analytics, as well as Philip Swift, as well as Sentiment, which all share bullish indicators. Also in today's show, I shared the latest predictions from Max Keiser, who wrote, if the Fed loses the ability to prevent the market from crashing bonds, as it should, then yeah, my Bitcoin to 220,000 in 2021 prediction is easy. A paradigm shift means bonds crash 50 to 70%, and trillions move into Bitcoin, getting us to $220,000 in 2021. And regarding his short-term price target, he says Bitcoin hash rate keeps hitting new all-time high. It's a leading indicator. Based on the current number, $77,000 short-term is a lock. That's right. So keep your eyes out on 77,000 here in March. That's right. Also in today's show, I shared that top trader says Bitcoin bottom is in and plots a new Bitcoin all-time high in March, right in alignment with Max Keiser predicting $80,000 next month. As he says right here, target after consolidation above that range high, about $80,000. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. And where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Holla at your boy. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, BlockFi, where you can put your crypto to work. They have 2 flagship products, including crypto-backed loans, where you can get an interest rate as low as 4.5%. You ever wonder, how can I access fiat cash without selling my precious Bitcoin? Well, look no further. And their other flagship product allows you to earn a 6% annual percentage yield on your BTC, as well as 9.3% on USDT. They also have a special promo running right now, where you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more by using my link in the description right down below. Go ahead and click it. It'll take you here, and then click this yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice that the referral code is already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.